Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to export trade history on Binance. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Binance application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Binance if you already do not have a profile on this application. Now after that, all you need to do is just check out what we have in front of us. We have the markets, the square, we have the buy, sell, convert, and deposit, the discover, and the portfolio tab at the very end. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and export trade history on Binance. So the first thing that you need to do guys is visit the Binance Buy Crypto History page, which you can of course guys find on your profile, where you can see your buy history when you click on the top left corner and click on your profile. Here guys, of course, you need to click export by history to the right of the page, and then select the time period you wish to export a press export. Of course, when you put the time period, put it, you can see then your histories. And then you just need to go and download the report. Alternatively, you can go to the profile and go to transactions, and then filter the transactions you want to export and click export. The transactions on the current page will export it into the CSV file. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.